In this video, we're going to look at navigating our model. We're going to start off by opening our finished F1 helmet and navigating about the screen and getting set up so we can start modeling our own F1 helmet. To get started, we're going to go to the data panel, double click on the finished F1 helmet, close our data panel, and let's go through to start just the hotkeys that help us navigate. So shift and middle mouse button will allow us to orbit about our model. Middle mouse button by itself allows us to pan around our model. And then I'm using a 3-button scroll mouse. The middle mouse button with the scroll wheel allows me to zoom in and out. Next, let's take a look at our navigation bar. The navigation bar has an orbit. Now, one of the differences you'll notice between the shift orbit is that I have an extra tool here. Now, with crosshairs, if I go to the outside, I'm just rotating about that angle. If I come here, I'm tilting my object, and with the bottom, we're rotating along that axis. If you hit escape, that'll turn off that orbit mode with the crosshairs. Then we can move on to pan. Okay? Same effect as middle mouse button. Again, escape to get out. Here's zoom. To zoom in and out. And this is to fit view. And essentially, I'm going to open up our browser and go to the visor. And we can hit fit, and it's going to fit my objects in the screen. We also have look at, which allows us to look at a particular object. Now, with everything in the screen right now, it's not zooming right up, but this can help look at a particular object. Okay. Moving on. We're going to focus on our view cube here. Okay? The view cube, when you mouse over it and just drag, allows you to orbit about. Also, I can get orthographic views. This button here is home, so if you get all turned around, don't know where you're at, just hit the home key. These will help you get different perspective views. Now, as we're working, we want to turn on perspective with ortho faces. So when I go to a front view, this is a true orthographic view, and this is going to help as we start modeling our F1 helmet. So this should start us on our way towards modeling. In the next video, we're going to look at importing the image planes that we're going to use, as well as some reference mesh data of a driver's head, so that we can start modeling our F1 helmet.